What's up guys, it's your girl Claudia and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I get my makeup to look glowy and radiant. I do this for the summer on a day-to-day basis, and I don't wear foundation because it's hot and I don't want to worry about my makeup breaking apart or anything like that. This usually takes me around 15 minutes, so it's super quick and easy. So let's go ahead and get into it. So we're just going to ignore the band-aid on my finger. Long story short, I slammed the car door on my finger and that was literally the worst pain I've ever felt. I don't think I've ever cried that hard. If you've ever slammed the door or anything on your finger, you know the pain, but I got through the worst part and now I'm going through the healing process, so it's all good. If you love having super glowy, radiant skin in the summer and you have not tried the NYX Honey Do Me Up Serum, I don't know what you're doing because this is amazing. It leaves my skin looking super radiant and just what I want for the summer. I'm gonna put my little hairs behind my ears. So I just take this and I put this all over my face. I like to put quite a bit because I love the look of it. And I just massage that into the skin. Crippled. Oh, by the way guys, as you can tell, I already have my eyebrows done. I just use the Maybelline Brow Precise pencil. I love this pencil. Now, I don't know about you guys, but in the summer, I really don't like wearing foundation, so I always stay away from it unless it's for a party or a fancy occasion. But on a day-to-day basis, I usually don't wear foundation. So I'm just going to be concealing my under eyes and any spots that need some attention, and I'm just going to be using my Maybelline FitMe concealer. Just going to pop some of this under my eyes. I have a few blemishes that need to be taken care of. I'm just going to blend this with my sponge. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing a little bit of cream contouring. So I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation stick. I like using foundation sticks because they go really smooth on the skin. So I'm just going to be putting a little bit of that on my cheekbone area, my forehead, and I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. Guys, living a normal life with a crippled finger is not easy. Like, I just started being able to do my makeup again, so I'm so grateful for that. And we're all contoured. Now I'm going to be setting my face just a little tiny bit. I'm not going to be putting too much powder because I don't want to lose the glowy effect I got going on. So I'm going to take my Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin powder, and I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and just pat it on there a little bit. The places I really make sure to set would have to be the center of my forehead, because you don't want to look glowy there because you're going to look more oily than anything. So I always make sure to do that, as well as this area right here. That's just going to make you look glowy in all the right places rather than make you look oily around your whole face. You know what I'm saying? Okay girl, now it's time to bronze it up. So I'm going to be taking my Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion, and I'm just going to be bronzing in all the places that I did a little bit of contouring. Taking my brush and getting some of that bronzer on there. And we bronzing it up, girl. Putting it it on my forehead as well. Now I'm gonna go in with my Milani Luminoso blush. She's a cutie. Now it's time for the most important part of this look, the highlighter. So to prep for highlighter, I'm going to be taking my MAC Fix Plus and I'm going to be spraying this all over my face. And I'm going to take my highlighter brush and I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. And this stuff is amazing, especially considering it's from the drugstore. It gives me the best highlight. I look like a glowing goddess. I like to bring my highlight down to my apples of my cheeks, putting it on my forehead, just everywhere where the sun would naturally hit. Okay, so now I'm going to be giving a little bit of definition to my eyelids. So I'm going to be using the Morphe and James Charles palette, and I'm going to be taking this. I'm just going to be taking this light brown shade right here, and I'm going to be placing that on my eyelids with a blending brush. But yeah, this is just going to give us a little bit of color, a little bit of definition. Now I'm just going to be popping on a little bit of mascara. I'm using my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. Now I'm going to be putting on my lashes, and the lashes I'm using are the Makeup Shack lashes in the style Dubai. These are my go-tos. They are pretty dramatic, but I really love dramatic lashes on me. I forgot my lash glue. Gonna put some of this. Oh, that's a little bit too much. Now for my lips, I'm gonna first line them with my NYX Suede Lip Liner, and this is in the color Stockholm. And then on top of that, I'm gonna be using my NYX Lip Oil, and I love this stuff because it moisturizes my lips so well. It leaves them nice and shiny, glossy, and gives them a little bit of color. So I'm just gonna be putting these on. And that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. I will see you guys in my next one. Girl, we ready for the summer. Bring it on.